Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can get the CapCut on Windows 11. Okay, I think this video especially for those of you who don't know that there is the PC version of the CapCut apps. So you have to know how to easily install it, especially for the Windows 11. So you are just going to select the start and then select Microsoft Store, and after open it you're just going to search for the CapCut. The search field and appears the CapCut apps. Just click install right here, and yeah, I I have installed it, and once it is usable installed, you are just going to open it and just log into your account and tap on your project and import your videos or photos or audios that you want to edit. That's it. That's how you can get the CapCut PC on the Windows 11. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.